Hi there, my name is Devin and I'm the marketing coordinator with SERVPRO of Cedar Mill / Oak Hills here in the Portland metro area. Today I wanted to make this video for you to discuss all the services that we can provide to your home and your business. Now generally SERVPRO is known for the fire and water damage restoration services. However, are you familiarized with the other services that we can provide to you? If you have a home or business that has suspicious stuff growing inside of it, such as mold, give us a call. We provide free mold inspections for anybody who has a suspicion out there. Alongside this service, we also do mold remediation. So if we do identify this, we'll be sure to make sure it seems like it never even happened. We can also provide convenient services such as cleaning, which includes duct and HVAC cleaning, carpet cleaning, upholstery cleaning, biohazard and crime scene cleanup, and graffiti removal. Now on top of all of our cleaning services, we also provide deodorization. What this means is if you have a vehicle or a home or a business that happens to, have a foul odor, give us a call and we'll be there to make sure that stink truly goes away. Thank you so much for tuning into my video today. If you're interested, please check out our blogs and I'll also attach a link to make sure that you have access to all the other videos that I'll be making throughout the time. If any of these services sound like an interest to you, please inquire with us at 503-619-6198.